Well, you know, the design actually came from just the way that I build all of these cars, and everything starts out with a good rendering, a great idea, and of course a great client. So this is basically a compilation of the negative artwork, of basically the line art, where everything starts when I build and design a car. And I just really thought it would be a great neutral color combination for the very first Kindig Miller compilation helmet, and I'm just very excited about it. A lot of renderings of very famous cars that we've done, and of course, I'm a big fan of it. So anyway, yeah, I'm just really excited to be here. Well, you know, actually I just took a lot of the cars that were really notable that we've built before, and we just kind of used that line art in here. I wanted to do something that was very neutral, so a lot of people have different colors of toolboxes. Of course, they should only have one color of welder, and that's blue. And anyway, I just wanted something that really would look cool in anybody's collection, whether you're going to use it or just collect it. This was just the inspiration of doing something that was like a blueprint, but it's a black print.